Alright, next for measure of skewness. Okay, measure of skewness ni, that means we want to determine the shape of the distribution, whether it is symmetrical or skewed to the right or skewed to the left. Okay, so before this, to determine the skewness of the distribution by comparing the value of mean, median and mode. Okay, kalau mean tu besar, that means dia skew to the right. Kalau mean tu kecil, nilai dia kecil, that means skew to the left. But now, there are another characteristic that can be measured is by using coefficient of skewness of the distribution. Okay, we call it as the Pearson's coefficient of skewness. Okay, the Pearson's coefficient of skewness, that means we can determine the shape of the distribution, okay, by two different formulas. Okay, by two different formulas. First formula, okay, R ni adalah simbol coefficient. Okay, R ni adalah simbol coefficient. Okay, first formula, mean minus mode divide standard deviation. Second formula, 3 times mean minus median divide dengan standard deviation. Okay, so awak tengok pada table dalam ni, guideline dia, coefficient of skewness. Once awak dah calculate dia punya coefficient for R, okay, when you get R equal 0, the distribution is symmetry. Okay, when you get R more than 0, that means the distribution is skewed to the right. When you get R less than 0, the distribution shape is skewed to the left. Okay, based on this formula yang awak guna lah. Okay, sama ada awak guna formula ni ataupun formula ni. Okay, so look at example 15. Okay, determine the shape of the distribution of the employee score from example 2. Okay, that means yang before this lah yang awak dah cari mean, median and mode. Okay, based on values from group data. Okay, kalau awak before this awak dah calculate lah, for mean is 25.98, for median is 25 and for mode is 23.21. Okay, and then standard deviation is 11.33. Okay, this value is from group data, bukan yang ungroup. Okay, bukan ungroup, this value is from group data. Okay, so to determine the shape of the distribution, okay, so the coefficient of skewness with symbol R tu, okay, symbol R, it is equal, okay, 3 times mean minus median divided by standard deviation. Okay, so 3, mean is 25.98 minus dengan median which is 25 divided by standard deviation is 11.33. Then you get 0.26. Okay, sometimes ada certain dia buat dia to calculate the coefficient of skewness ni, they are using another formula which is R is equal mean minus mode divided by standard deviation. So mean is 25.98 minus dengan mode dia 23.21 divided by standard deviation is 11.33. Okay, awak calculate, you will get 0.24. Okay, jawapan dia lebih kurang je. Okay, actually it doesn't matter, okay, whether awak nak guna formula ni, okay, formula yang saya ni lah, yang first ni ataupun yang second ni. Okay, but the value is still in positive side. Okay, the value is still in positive side, that means R more than 0. When R more than 0, that means therefore the distribution, you have to state this, statekan dia, the distribution is skew to the right. Okay, based on guideline dalam table ni lah. Okay, when R more than 0, that means skew to the right. Okay, tak kisah kalau awak nak guna sama ada formula yang first ni ataupun yang second yang saya tunjuk ni lah. Okay, but these two values still in positive side. That means R more than 0. So the answer is Q to the right. Apa function dia bagi dua-dua formula ni sebenarnya? Okay, functionnya, let's say lah, kalau dalam test ataupun final exam, let's say soalan A tu dia minta find mean and median. Okay, find mean and median. Nampak tak? Okay, find mean and median. Apa-apa je lah kan. And then B, dia suruh cari standard deviation, find standard deviation. And then C, dia suruh cari coefficient of skewness. Okay, coefficient of skewness. So, kat atas awak dah cari mean and median. Okay, so bila ada soalan minta coefficient of skewness, then awak boleh terus guna formula yang ada mean and median. Dan dalam formula tu ada mean and median. Tak perlu nak cari mode dah. Okay, kalau ada another formula ni, mean minus mode. Okay, ada satu formula lagi, mean minus median. Okay, so kalau soalan atas sudah minta mean and median, then awak boleh guna terus formula yang ni. Okay, 3 times mean minus median divided by standard deviation. Okay, tak perlu nak cari mode dah. Okay, boleh faham dah? Kadang tu ada mode yang tak ada mode. Okay, kalau yang before this saya ada ajar, okay, ada certain jawapan ada one mode, ataupun ada two mode, ataupun ada certain jawapan yang no mode, tak ada mode langsung. Bila tak ada mode ni, kalau awak nak guna formula yang ni, tak boleh. Sebab formula ni ada mean minus mode. And then jawapan awak, let's say lah awak ada certain soalan minta mode. Soalan tu minta mode. And then the answer is no mode. Tak ada mode langsung dalam data tu. So you have to use this formula, mean minus median juga. Okay, boleh faham dah? Okay, unless kalau ada soalan tu find mean and mode. Tiba-tiba ada jawapan mode. Okay, find mean and mode. Tiba-tiba ada jawapan mode. Then soalan C tu dia minta coefficient of skewness. Okay, which is dia suruh cari R lah. Okay, nak determine dia punya distribution dia. Then you can use mean minus mode. Okay, no need to find the median. Tak perlu dah. Okay, sebab itulah ada function lah dia bagi dua formula ni. Okay, boleh faham lah? Jangan confuse lah mana satu nak guna, mana satu tak boleh guna. Okay, dua-dua sama saja. Dua-dua still in positive side. Okay, so the distribution is Q to the right. Boleh faham lah? Okay. So, kita dah habis chapter 3. Alright. So, you can continue the exercise. Buat sampai habis exercise tu. Okay.